Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today we are unboxing my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of July, and we're giving away one of the items to one of you. If you are here, welcome. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of June, it is the Glam Light Ice Cream Dream Palette. And just a really fun color story. You can obviously do some neutrals with this look, with this palette as well. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile, go into your settings. I really want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. Now, as far as what is on my eyes today, I have this palette from Glam Light. It's the Rick and Morty palette, and it's super duper colorful. There's not a lot of neutrals. Like, throw in one like soft matte brown. I mean, you've got this black out here that you can deepen it up with. Just one shade out of 30. 1 out of 30. Anyway, what I did do is I did just take this one here. The shade is so cool. You guys got to see this. I don't even think this camera is doing it justice, but it's so cool. Like right there. Anyway, that's what's all over my lids today. So Ipsy is beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, those sorts of things. The Glam bag is $14 a month. They throw on the Glam, it's a Glam bag in there, like a cosmetics bag. And then every once in a while they will throw in a full-size item in there as well. So I can't wait to dive in and find out what's in here. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. That's in the description box down below. No obligation to do so. If you do use it, I thank you. So I just pulled out of the bag. I haven't unboxed it yet, but here is my confusion, because this is what all my products supposedly came in, but same bag. People told me this was a different bag. No, this is the exact same bag. This I got in an Ipsy Plus a while ago, last year sometime, and I guess they need to get rid of their inventory, but maybe do that as part of their sales or something. It just seemed a little cheap this time. That's my opinion. Okay, so what Ipsy says about this: whether you are jetting off or savoring a staycation, July's Glam bag is filled with refreshing skincare, vacay-worthy makeup, and more to slay your summer itinerary. Bonus, this extra spacious pouch comes in handy as a style travel organizer and packing cube too. I have used these, you know, I'll put all my like skincare in one, all my makeup in another, that sort of thing is how I use these extra ones. And when I do my bigger giveaways, when we hit milestones, a lot of the times I'll ship all the items in ones of these that I obviously haven't used before. So the first item in here is from Bare Minerals. It's the Complexion Rescue Liquid Bronzer in A Kiss of Mauve. This is a deluxe mini. A few drops of this blush bronzer hybrid give cheeks a radiant flush of color that blends effortlessly to blur imperfections, leaving a sheer and lightweight rosy glow. This luminous formula is buildable, breathable, and lasts all day long too. How do you do a... Yeah, I think people confuse bronzer and contour all the time, because your contour I don't think you want to mix with like your brush. But if you're just using a bronzer and all the bronzer is doing is making your face glow a little bit, contour is changing the shape of your face. I think people interchange those when it's like, to me, a bronzer is more bronze. It's more like a warm brown shade, where a contour, you're gonna want that cool brown shade because that will give you the shadow that you're looking for. So you have the higher cheekbones. So you have the chiseled jawline. But I am curious about this one because it says it was a bronzer. It was my mistake. I was like, how in the world is that happening? I think I put a lot on my hand, but there it is. Yeah, I put a tremendous amount in my hand. So that's what she looks like. But you can also go in really lightly and kind of sheer it out there, and I think that's really, really pretty. Obviously, that's just crazy amount. That was me putting too much, squeezing the tube too hard. It does, give, it's got that warm brown into it, as well as the mauve-y pink kind of mixed in there as well. From Frank Body is the Glycolic Body Scrub, and this is a deluxe mini. If you'll see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. Sick of body breakouts, bumps, and dryness? This body scrub is the ultimate solution. Glycolic acid helps clear out your pores, while rich hazel and niacinamide help smooth and calm to reduce acne and redness. Plus, the refreshing eucalyptic scent turns your shower into a real-life spa experience. I think this sounds good. From Lithe Beauty is a night and day eyeshadow palette. It does retail for $32. It's kind of a little plastic packaging. You've got some kind of mauve and tan colors in here. And the versatility of the eyeshadow palette is unmatched. It features 6 shades, 4 mattes option, and 2 stunning shimmers to create gorgeous looks from day to night, fancy or casual. This would be an awesome travel palette. From Named is a dual eyeshadow brush. This is full size and it does retail for $26. This little wonder is exactly what your makeup bag is missing. The smaller side is key for precision work like blending out eyeliner or crafting a cut crease. The larger side is perfect for adding a wash of color all over your lids and blending them out for an airbrushed finish. So here's your fluffy side. Here's your kind of more dense pointy side. Here's the problem for me with this brush. Is, okay, you use it and then you go to clean it, and I have all my brushes kind of standing upright in a container. If I put it in this way, I'm smashing this brush, and if I put it in this way, I'm smashing this brush. So that's why I really do they take up less space? Unless you're keeping your brushes flat like this all the time and not putting it in like a little container, you're gonna ruin it. So that's my problem with this one. I always keep it real here for you. From Over Cosmetics is a liquid highlighter in Monroe. This is a deluxe mini. An ethereal glow can be yours with just a few dots of the light champagne highlighter. Made with skin-loving ingredients like aloe vera and sodium hyaluronate for major hydration. This gel-like formula melts seamlessly into your skin to leave a radiant glow. I really love the Over powder highlighters. Am I gonna like their liquid highlighter? So she kind of looks like this. Some on the hand. This kind of looks like that. I can definitely tell the lip from within. Let's try and kind of buff that out a little bit more, because that is really pretty, like that lit from within glow. I mean, look at this. Well, obviously this had the red on it from before, but there's no glow going on there. This is so pretty. So what do you guys think? There are two full-size products, the brush and eyeshadow palette for your 14. Pretty good deal. There was a miss for me, obviously, with that brush. What do you guys think? What is your favorite thing in here? What is going on in your life? I spent a little fun in the sun with some of my friends at my family's cabin, so it was good to get away with everything that's going on with our dog, and obviously our dog came with us because that's her favorite spot. Let's give away that Frank Body Glycolic Body Scrub to one of you guys. In the description box down below is going to be a Google form. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Now you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark if you did do them, if you actually did, because I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So your 4 ways are: number 1, on Instagram, the handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. On X, formerly Twitter, it's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. On TikTok, it's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And if you share this video with your social media accounts, with your family, friends, I wanted to get back to say thank you so much for doing that, because it means the world to me when you guys do, because I'm trying to help the channel grow, and I can only do it with your guys' help. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Now let's have this giveaway go through August 2nd, Midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on August 7th, going to be around there somewhere. I know sometime in August I have to take my son back to North Dakota, and I don't know when that is yet because I still haven't found a place to live. These boys need to figure their stuff out. I'll take from the computer the first name, first initial, the last name. If everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around. The computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. It's just easier for me to mail out the packages to the winners when I've got the address and everything right there. Secret word of the day is lake. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you if you have the time. I greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!